In this video, I'll be helping you with the math topic called finding the midpoint of the line segment. And I'll be using this example from the OpenStax College Algebra textbook, where we are asked to find the midpoint of the line segment with endpoints 7, -2, and 9, 5. And we should recall that the midpoint formula is just the average x value, so x1 plus x2 over 2. That will be our midpoint x coordinate, and then the midpoint y coordinate is the average y value, which is y1 plus y2 over 2. So notice that all the midpoint formula is saying is just the average x value and the average y value make up the coordinates of the midpoint between two endpoints. And for any example, we just need to identify what our x1, y1 coordinate will be. Here I'll use the first one, 7 and -2. And then our second point, x2, y2, I'll use the other point, 9, 5. Although notice that since we're just adding and dividing by 2, the order doesn't matter. But from here, we can substitute in to our midpoint formula, letting x1 be 7, x2 would be 9, and then for the y coordinate, we start with y1, which is -2, add to that y2, which is 5. Having made those substitutions, we can simplify. Our x coordinate is 7 plus 9, 16 divided by 2 would be 8. And then our y coordinate is -2 plus 5 is 3 divided by 2. I could leave as 3 halves. And this would be the coordinates of the midpoint.